Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add, change, or remove business name and category on WIX. Here on the WIX dashboard, you want to go to the left side of your screen and then search for Settings right here. Just click on it, and after that you want to scroll down a bit until you find General right here. And then you want to click on Business Info. Here on the business info, you can just add, change, or remove your business name or business category. Here, for example, I want to change my business name to YouTube tutorial. Just click on it and then change it the way you like it. And then also in the category, you can search for the category that your business is in. For example, if you are a baking business, just search for baking and then just click on one of them. To remove it, you can just block it and then tap on Delete. And also, do it on your name. After that, don't forget to click on Save at the very top right of your screen. And there you go. From now, people will see your business name on their invoice and when chatting on your website platform. It also can improve your website's search result and ranking on Google. So when somebody searches about your business on Google, for example, it will help your website to be on top of the list. And that's how to add, change, or remove a business name and category on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing.